Hello keepers, welcome back to my channel. For those that are new here, I'm Keeping Up with Nat, also known as Natalie, and for all my returning keepers, thank you so much for stopping by again. I love and appreciate you guys so much. If you haven't already, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on my next video. Yeah, this is something different on my channel. This is my wash day routine featuring Fenty Hair, so I'm super excited. Haven't done anything like this, but here I'm showing you guys the condition of my hair. It's really dry, it's really brittle. I literally just took it out of a ponytail, and we're gonna get into this wash day. So I'm gonna show you guys how I went from this dry brittle hair to this beautiful sleek straight hair. So let's get right into it. I'm using Fenty Hair like I mentioned before. I picked this kit from Winners recently. You guys, run to Winners, like literally run to Winners. They have so many Fenty Hair products, and I had to pick it up. I got it for a good price, and it's really something new, so I wanted to test out the mini sizes before I go and invest in the bigger sizes. So this is why I loved it, and it gave me the opportunity to try each and every single product. So I'm super excited. Let's get right into it. So the first product is the shampoo, which is called the Rich One. This is their moisture repair shampoo. And then the next is the Comeback Kid. This is their instant damage repair treatment. And then next is the Richer One, which is their moisture repair deep conditioner. This smells so good, you guys. I'm gonna love this one. I know that for sure. And we're gonna get right into it. So before I apply any shampoo, I do like to rinse off my hair first. Obviously, you want to get rid of all the dirt, all the buildup, anything in your hair, and then we're gonna go in with the shampoo. Y'all, the lather on this was actually really good. I only shampooed my hair twice, and when I added more water, this is where you see, like, yeah, there's lather. Like, if I don't get enough lather, I don't like it, and this did the job for me. So after I shampoo my hair, and with the Comeback Kid, this is the instant damage repair treatment. So this one I did leave in for about 5 to 10 minutes. You guys can leave it longer, it's up to your discretion. But the Comeback Kid is a strengthening plus repair to transform hair for smoother, shinier styles. So it's a treatment, so I wanted to let this sit in to help with my hair. You can see that I go in with a comb as well because I wanted to get through every strand on my head, and I let that sit for 5 minutes. Next, we are going in with the Richer One, which is the moisture repair deep conditioner. You guys, the thickness of this deep conditioner was really good. It smelled even better, honestly. Now, the deep conditioner is going to help with ultra loaded with moisture to soften, repair, and prevent damaged split ends. Literally, that's what I'm struggling with. I have a lot of split ends. My hair is really fine now, but we are going on almost a year, well, not almost a year, October would be a year without me perming my hair. So this is why I'm looking for a new hair care line to kind of help navigate through me not relaxing my hair anymore. So I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna be showing you guys how my curls are like really popping, and it's like, oh my gosh, that's so scary. I never see curls in my hair. But you guys, by this point my hair is so soft. Like, the way I'm able to run my hands through my hair, oh y'all, so soft. And here, look at my curl pattern. Like, it's literally giving shine. Okay, shine. Alright, y'all, so last but not least, this is the Protective Type 5-in-1 Heat Protectant Styler. Y'all, this is a 5-in-1 leave-in for every style to help smooth, detangle, defrizz, hydrates, and it protects any type of heat up to 450. You guys, this is maybe my favorite product out of all of them because it's like a lotion type of heat protectant, which I really like because it helps with moisturizing your hair at the same time also protecting it from any heat, so blow dry or any type of like hot tools. So this was really good. But this is how my hair is looking, you guys, after I get out the shower. So enjoy me styling and blow drying my hair. All right, y'all. So here I'm just kind of parting my hair. I really suck at styling my natural hair. So if you guys have any suggestions on how to, you know, style natural hair so I can kind of rock my natural hair, even though I've cut it so much because my hair is really, really damaged. And honestly, it's only myself to blame. Literally, I'm still working on my edges. Y'all see how bad my edges are, but we are working on that. All right. But yeah, overall, you guys, the Fenty Hair Maintenance Crew Kit is actually really, really good. I think out of all the products, I really love the richer one, the deep conditioner, and the heat protectant. The shampoo was really good too. The lather was good, but overall, it is a product that I think I will be purchasing in the long run because I've been looking for a new hair care line for my natural hair. So I'm pretty impressed. I'm really pleased with the results. My hair smelled amazing. It felt even better. Like, I think my hair likes this, but we're gonna keep using it, and I'll check in from time to time during my vlogs to tell you guys how my hair is growing or how it's going. But overall, I do love the products. Each product had an amazing smell and scent, which I really loved. But yeah, so this is how my hair looks after using Fenty Hair products. I would highly recommend. My hair felt amazing after. I did go ahead and straighten my whole head because I do want to rock my natural hair. Like, I'm just tired of the wigs, so I did have to straighten it out. So I get out all the kinks and stuff. But yeah, keepers, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I loved it, and I loved you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.